Hi, I'm Joost van Wollingen, and together with my good friend Ivo de Bruin, I'll be giving a workshop on Docker for testers at Expo QA on the 17th of June. Docker is currently the most popular container platform. It's a type of virtualization that allows for portable applications that are running the same everywhere. That means that what you test locally with a Docker container will be exactly the same software that's running in production. You could compare them with lightweight virtual machines. If you've ever worked in a place where you had to share the test environment with multiple teams, or where you had to wait for the test environment to become available, you can see how Docker containers help speed up the testing process. In the workshop, we'll be going over all of the basics of Docker, so that at the end you'll be able to run, manage and build containers yourself. We'll also touch upon how we've used Docker containers at bol.com, the largest web shop in the Netherlands, to speed up the testing process there and how it helped us to reach the market more quickly with new software. So, see you at Expo QA 2019.